بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن والاه أما بعد فالسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to lesson 1.7, still dealing with number, or adad in Arabic is number. We're going to be dealing with the sound masculine plural of an ism. Before discussing the sound masculine plural, we're going to be discussing plurals in English. Take a moment and look at these following English words and form their plurals and try to categorize them in different types of plurals. How would you categorize the plurals of these words into different categories? So take a moment and do that now and then continue the video inshallah. Okay, so if we had to categorize these, the plurals, for example, the word houses, countries, men, boats, babies, teeth, mice, cars, spies, if we had to categorize them into three categories, we could say that there's a category that accepts S. For example, the word house, boat, car, if you want to convert them to plural, all you do is you add S. So we could say there's an add S type of category in forming a plural in English. Then another category could be for the word baby, country, spy. If the word ends in Y, what we do is we take away the Y, we remove the Y, and we add IES. So it becomes babies, countries, spies. So we could call this the IES category. And then a third category could be for the word mouse, man, tooth. We could call this the category with no apparent pattern. For example, mouse becomes mice, man becomes men, and tooth becomes teeth. So this would be the no pattern category. So what I want to highlight here is that when it comes to the English language, we have different types of plurals. And you can only use a specific type of plural for a specific word. For example, you won't be able to say mouses you can't use the S for the word mouse and say mouses. You have to use mice. So you have to use a specific plural type for a specific word. Similarly, in Arabic we have three types of plurals, three categories of plurals. The first one is jam'un mudhakkarun salimun. The word jam'un means plural, mudhakkarun masculine or male, salimun sound. So jam'un mudhakkarun salimun is a sound masculine plural. The next category of plural is jam'un muannathun salimun. Jam'un means plural, muannathun feminine or female, salimun sound. So the sound feminine plural. The final category in Arabic is jam'un mukassarun. Jam'un plural, mukassarun broken. So practice saying these three names. Jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, jam'un muannathun salimun, jam'un mukassarun. One more time. Jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, jam'un muannathun salimun, jam'un mukassarun. Those are the three types of plurals in Arabic. Today we're going to be focusing only on jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, the sound masculine plural. To convert a word to jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, today's lesson we're going to learn that you have to add either una or ina to the word. So to convert the word to plural, you add una or ina. For example, if I have the word muslimun, the word muslimun means a Muslim. If I want to say many Muslims, or three or more Muslims, which is many in Arabic, a plural of Muslims, I would add the word una, so it would become muslimuna or muslimina. Muslimuna or muslimuna. The word muslimuna means many Muslims, and the word muslimina also mean many Muslims. And both of those mean many male Muslims or a group of male and female Muslims. For example, if I had the word kafirun, a disbeliever, and I wanted to say many male disbelievers or many disbelievers, male and female, I would use the jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, and I would add una or ina, and the word would become kafiruna or kafirina. Both of those, kafiruna and kafirina, both mean a group of disbelievers. Take a moment, inshallah, and take the word salihun and convert it to jam'un mudhakkarun salimun by adding una or ina. So convert salihun to a plural. Let's check your answer. The word salihun, to convert it to a jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, the sound masculine plural, I would add una and it would become salihun becomes salihuna. Salihun became salihuna. If I add ina, salihun would become salihina. Salihun would become salihina. So let's say these three examples in sequence. Muslimun became muslimuna, muslimina. Kafirun, kafiruna, kafirina. Salihun, salihuna, salihina. Let's have a quick look at how to go about converting the singular mufrad into a jam'un mudhakkarun salimun. For example, if I had the word muslimun and I want to create the una plural, I would take the word muslimun and I would drop whatever is at the end, whether it's un, an, in, and I would add a single u and it would become muslimu. That's step number one. Step number two, I'd add a waw and it would become muslimu. Final step, I would add a noon and it would become muslimuna. Muslimuna. Let's discuss the other plural, ina, the other jam'un mudhakkarun salimun version. The word muslimin, whatever is at the end, whether it's musliman or muslimin, I would take that word and I would drop whatever is at the end and add I. So it would be muslimi. Step number two, I would add ya, so it would become muslimi. And step number three, noon, it will become muslimina. So that's a step-by-step guide for how to go from muslimun or muslimin all the way down to muslimuna or muslimin. Let's take a moment to practice forming the jam'un mudhakkarun salimun. So I'd like you to take each of these words, the word munafiqun, which means a hypocrite, dhakirun is someone who remembers, sa'imun is someone who fasts, mu'minun is a believer, ghafilun is someone who is unaware. To take these 5 words and either verbally or via writing down to form both versions of jam'un mudhakkarun salimun by adding una or ina. Take a moment and we will check our answers. Let's check our answers. So the word munafiqun, it would become munafiquna, munafiqina. Dhakirun, dhakiruna, dhakirina. Sa'imun, saimuna, saimina. Mu'minun, mu'minuna, mu'minina. Ghafilun, ghafiluna, ghafilina. So we have formed a sound male or masculine plural by adding una or ina. Just a few notes on jam'un mudhakkarun salimun. First of all, it refers to a group of males or a mixed group of males and females. Secondly, this is also a people plural. In other words, it is used for people and not for things. Like pen or book, it is used for people. Although some people have a different type of plural, if you do find a jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, it must be referring to a person. And finally, we form this plural by adding una or ina. That is the only two versions, una or ina. The second part of this lesson discusses how do I integrate jam'un mudhakkarun salimun with my hal table. So as learned previously, an ism will always be in one of three types of hal, which is raf'un, nasbun, or jarrun. So when it comes to a singular word like the word muslimun, muslimun, raf'un, musliman, nasbun, and muslimin, jarrun. In the previous lesson, we learned that when a dual word is in raf'un, for example, the word muslimun, I want to convert it to the dual, which is raf'un, we use the ani. So it would become muslimani. The nasbun for dual muthanna is muslimaini, and for jarrun is going to also be muslimaini. So now when it comes to jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, again I have two plurals, muslimuna and muslimina. How do I locate it in the hal table? The muslimuna, the una version, will be the raf'un version. For example, if you see a word that has una, and it is an ism, then that word is in the hal of raf'un. If you see a word with ina, like the word muslimina, it is in a hal of nasbun or jarrun. Nasbun or jarrun. So the second part of this lesson teaches us that an una ism is jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, which is raf'un. Ina is nasbun or ina is jarrun. So if I had to read this whole table, it would sound like this: muslimun, musliman, muslimin. Those are all mufrad. Muslimani, muslimaini, muslimaini. Those are all muthanna. And then muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina. Those are all jam'un mudhakkarun salimun. Therefore, when it comes to the hal table, the signs of the hal are different depending on the type of word. For example, if it's a mufrad word, I look at the last letter and I look for u, a, I, or un, an, in, and that will tell me the hal. When it comes to muthanna word, I don't look at the last letter, I look at the last combination. And if it's ani, raf'un, aini, nasbun, aini, jarrun. And if it's jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, una, if it's una, raf'un, and if it's ina, jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, nasbun, or ina, jarrun. If I take away the words and just leave the signs, the sign of raf'un for a mufrad word is un or u. And for a nasbun is an or a. And jarrun, in or i. The sign for muthanna word in raf'un is ani. And for a muthanna word in nasbun, aini or jarrun, aini. And the sign for jam'un mudhakkarun salimun in raf'un, una, in nasbun, ina, and in jarrun, ina. So those are just highlighting the signs that tell me what type of word it is. For example, ani, aini always dual, and also which hal the word is in. And una, ina always jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, una raf'un, ina nasbun or jarrun. Finally, I would like to take a moment just to practice writing out, or at least saying, the table for salihun. In other words, write out salihun in nasb and jar, as well as the forms of muthanna and the jam'un mudhakkarun salimun. So take a moment, pause the video, and complete the salihun table. Let's check your answers. The word salihun in raf'un is salihun, nasbun salihan, jarrun salihin. The word salihun in muthanna dual in raf'un, salihani, in nasbun salihaini, in jarrun salihaini. And in jam'un mudhakkarun salimun, sound masculine plural, in raf'un صالحون نصب صالحين جر صالحين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.